Good morning, everyone. The first day of the year 2021. Welcome, 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 and wish you all a very happy new year and a wonderful, wonderful year ahead. And let's welcome it with a beautiful guided meditation. This meditation is again coming to me right now. So, just recording it. It's more going to be a few affirmations which we are going to repeat, and preferably you can close your eyes. Let's close our eyes and welcome this new year and realize our true nature. I am the I amness of who we really are. I am the pure consciousness, the pure light, the pure awareness. I, the consciousness, experienced the entire 2020. So many different experiences happened in the year 2020. All have passed by. But I, the awareness, I, the consciousness, was there present in each and every experience, but was untouched. And I, the awareness, I, the consciousness, am right now here listening. And I, the awareness, I, the consciousness, will experience different experiences in the year 2021. Again, remaining untouched. I, the awareness, I, the consciousness, have always been there, am there, will be there. I exist in this body. I exist in different bodies. In the plants, in the animals, in the dog, in the cat, in the mouse, in the elephant, in the birds, the crow, the pigeon, the sparrow, in each and every plant, what we eat. Cabbage, potato, flower, brinjal, any fruit that we eat, apple, mango, banana. I, the consciousness, am present everywhere. And I, the consciousness, is one. There is no difference between I, the awareness, the consciousness within this body and within any other being, any other entity on this planet or anywhere else. The entire universe, even the stones, the rocks, the pebbles, the rivers, the mountains, inherent within them is I, the consciousness. I, the consciousness, makes this universe experienced through itself. Let's relax and repose in this awareness of who we really are in this new year. Let us be established in this awareness of who we really are and make it a reality. More and more we remember this true nature of ourselves, that which is unborn, that which is undying, that which is ultimate peace, ultimate joy, that is which is the source of all joy, all happiness. Every experience gives us happiness and joy. It is because of this consciousness. That which we are seeking is who we are. Let us relax, repose in ourselves and realize our true nature. Have a wonderful, wonderful, wonderful year ahead, being completely established in our essence of who we really are. Happy New Year to all.